Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple photos in Instagram story. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app. And after that, go to Add Story. You can tap on your story on the top left. Now, I'm going to select a random picture. After that, I'll tap on the three dots on the top right. And then I'll tap on Draw. Once you're here, tap on the eyedropper icon on the bottom left. After that, put it on a part of the picture from where you want to use the color. And as you can see, the picture has turned to that color. After that, tap on Done on the top right. Now, tap on the sticker icon from the top bar. From here, scroll down. After that, tap on this plus icon as you can see here. And then, select the picture that you want to add. Once you add it, you can drag it and adjust it according to your preference. Now go back to stickers and choose the same option. Now select a different photo. After that, adjust it according to your preference. This way you can keep adding pictures and add as many pictures as you want. And as you can see, I'm adding multiple photos whichever way I like. Once you're done adding the photos, just tap on your story from the bottom. And the picture has been uploaded to your story. So that is how you add multiple photos in Instagram story.